Well, good morning, guys, from the West Boulder campground in Montana, outside Livingston. How's that one? Hope you're having a great day. Yesterday's video ended with like a wrong turn. We're trying to go to Natural Falls State Park and Natural Bridge, sorry, State Park, and turned on the wrong road. Ended up at campground. It was awesome. Enjoyed the night. But now we're actually going to search for Natural Bridge State Park. And I don't know, we relaxed this morning. Doing a good job of getting into this a little bit more of a slowing things down and camping vibe. It's kind of nice putting down these roads. We hooked up our little FM frequency Bluetooth and little phone mount. How ridiculous is that, guys? Look. You can't even charge your phone, so my phone has to be upside down in this mount.
This place is like a wildlife park.
Alright, well, this is where we made our wrong turn, if there are any wrong turns in life. In one way, this could be a wrong turn because there's pavement again. You can be my someone, you can be my sea.
National Forest Access, East Boulder River and Elk Creek. What do you think, Ben?
I think we go forward. We're here. Oh wow. Okay, we lucked out. It's a very short walk to the bridge and falls. This time of year, it is wrong and irresponsible to leave Shelby in the car with this heat. But at the same time, you know, she's a 16-year-old girl and she doesn't walk very fast. So taking long hikes.
She can walk fast.
Well,
she chooses not to because she
true.
has to smell everything.
Yeah, I have some great footage of her running around the yard. She walks fast when she wants to. Go! Check that out down there. Wow, here's another perspective. All right, affirmation that we did take the correct road. We're here at the Natural Bridge, which is right there. And this is where the dirt road starts. And there are a ton of camping opportunities. These dots are trails, and these are 4x4 primitive roads.
All right, we just found the dirt road again, and we're gonna find a great place to park and have some lunch. Just putting it out there, I don't think we ever would have taken this road with Nellie. It would have been like, no, this might work.
Oh, heck yeah.
Oh my goodness, look at the view.
This is a good spot for lunch. The perfect setting to eat some lunch.
That was a place where you could have just whiled away the day. And I think we would have stayed if we weren't really excited to get a little further in and explore a bit more. So we're gonna go find a campsite for the night and then hopefully relax.
I think we found our stopping point for the night. There's a site right there. And let's see here, it's probably $5 a night, just like the last place. But yeah, it's about 4:45 and due time for us to wrap this day up. Lucky number 13. This is a pretty good campsite.
This is a great campsite.
Yeah.
Do you want to walk?
Table, fire ring, our new chairs. Let's do this.
Okay.
How comfortable are you?
Extremely comfortable.
It's pretty nice.
Very nice. This is perfect.
Well, it was a very high maintenance fire, but dinner is served. Got some bread, halibut, cauliflower, and broccoli.
Thanks for joining us on the ride today. Be sure to hit that subscribe button so you can keep up with us. And we'll see you tomorrow.